Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing After Effects tutorial. Where the tutorial of today, we are heading for another second episode of tutorial whereby we're gonna create our own kind of lower third. Now, for further info, let's get started. Now, I'm actually inside After Effects, and something which is so good about it, we're gonna just click on Create New. Then we're gonna click on New Composition. We're gonna say Lower Thirds. Now, after clicking the lower third, make sure that everything we settle up on the last tutorial is just the same as this one. Now just click on create. Then it will take a little bit of time because of After Effects, how it acts. Sometimes you have to be patient. Actually inside After Effects, and something which is so good, I'm gonna just right click it here and say shape layer. I'm gonna create my shape layer by clicking on this kind of section of rectangle. Since I have this kind of, we can call it like a layer or like a composition timeline layer, which can help you out on that. Now I'm gonna just make sure my rectangle is just somewhere here. I'm gonna remove the fill. Just click here on fill sideways, just this text of fill. Click this side, you're done with fill. Now click on this side and apply for the stroke. Now you're gonna adjust the stroke as much as you want. Now I'm gonna adjust my text size. Now I'm gonna just make it happen here by using only move tool. Just click on this kind of like anchor point and you're gonna adjust it. These are anchor points, these are points. Let's just make it somewhere here. Now you're gonna start with the box, animating it, then we're gonna go for the text. Now for the box, what's gonna happen is just that I'm gonna click on this one, add, or there's this one on top here. Both of them, they do the same thing. Now just click on the add. After clicking add, I want you guys to get the trim path. Now get just the trim path, it's okay. Now just expand the trim path. Now we're gonna make trim path start just like that. Now after making it start, just remember that your time code has to be on starting point. It might be here, it might be there, but just know what you're doing there. Now I'm going to just click on the keyframe which I want. Now I'm going to click play. Now I'm going to go 5 keyframe ahead, like up to here, somewhere here, or even 6. Now after that, just return it back just like that. Now you can see we have created a really smooth animation. Now if you return it back and click play, this is what's gonna happen, but it's really slow waiting for that. Just adjust the keyframe and bring it just somewhere here, just somewhere there. Now if you click play, this is what's gonna happen. Really quick, really fast, but I want it to be smooth. Just highlight all the keyframe, right click it, keyframe assistant, then easy ease. Now we're going to jump in to create the text. Now right click it on the text, just go to new, then text, click on the fill. Now I'm going to just adjust my text and bring it somewhere here. Now I'm going to change, I think I'm going to change the font. I'm going to just use Oswald. Oswald is very good, and I'm just gonna keep it somewhere here. Now after that, I'm gonna just make it happen here. Then I'm gonna go a little bit frame so as I can see the box how it looks like. And I'm gonna adjust my text to match a little bit to be having that kind of smoothness. If you get a problem like this, just undo everything and bring it just somewhere there, just slow by slow. Just keep it somewhere here, slowly because of the anchor point how it is. Now I want you to just resize it and bring it somewhere here. Now after having it here, then we're gonna animate it this way. I'm going to just use only opacity. Now I'm going to go to transform and expand the transform. Click the keyframe of opacity. Make sure that first of all, sorry guys, you must make it to be 0 value. Now keep it at the 0 value so as nothing happens there. Now click the checkbox of the keyframe. Now go all the way up to when it start finishing up the rectangle trim path. Now just keep it somewhere here, at least there. It might be sparking well. Now after that, just adjust it up to here at the end. That's it. Now after that, click spacebar to see your video. Very smooth. Now you can see how it's happening, but still it's a little bit, I want it to be a little bit delaying because it's going very fast. Now you're gonna adjust the keyframe by just moving it forward for 5 keyframe or 3 keyframe. Now you can see how it is. Not bad. Now you can adjust it up to here and see what's happening. That's good, but still it delays somehow. Now just adjust it and make sure that it stays consistency somewhere there. Right click it and give it some easy ease, just like that. Now try it out again. Boom, there we have it. Now we have a nice and clean lower third of your name you have created, whereby you can use it on your videos or you can use it anywhere you would like. Now I want you guys to make a pre-compose. This is like a mesh. We're gonna wind up here, then I'm gonna catch up with the next episode, whereby we're gonna create different types of lower third with the different types of style, and we can even do some track on motion on the lower thirds, which is gonna be awesome. Now I'm gonna just highlight everything, right click everything. Now find something called pre-compose. What it does, it merge everything. Just take it out like Photoshop. Whenever you select all the layers, what happens is just that you're gonna go somewhere called merge all, and you merge everything be at one single thing. If it's a layout having 24 layers, it's gonna be merging and be having only one single element of a layer. Now we're gonna just create that, and we're gonna say this is our lower third. Now I'm going to just click it somewhere here. Okay, now it's going to be created. As you can see, boom, done. We're having it there. We just make that kind of pre-compose, which is so awesome. Something else which is so good, if you double tap on this pre-compose, it's going to be opening up and share with you guys some element. Now you can just get creative back and change the colors you'd like of your lower third. If you want to change it to red, you want to change it to blue, you want to change it to any color you'd like. And going back to the pre-compose, it will just share with you guys there. So it creates like a root element whereby it makes things ASAP. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this kind of tutorial of today, make sure that you click that thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim113. Consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. What am I doing? YouTube channel, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one as well. Stay sharp and creative, and peace.